In this ArcView 9 demonstration, we're going to show how to merge two features into one. And what you'd simply do is, with editing on in of the layer that you want to merge, this time we're going to merge two polygons, is click this selection tool here and come in here and click on and select the two what should I say, polygons that you want to merge together. Okay, so let's go back here and merge the two I originally had. And I'll hold down, I think the shift key should allow me to select two at a time. Yeah, and now we just simply go to the editor drop down menu and select merge, and it just it's asks you to choose the feature with which other features will be merged. We'll just select OK here. We have the two selected that we want, and it merges them into one. And that's really all there is to that.